Komatsu forestry. The emergence of logging machines has revolutionized the way wood is produced and extracted from the forest. Especially the in-forest logging machines have made the process more efficient and reduced their dependence on labor. With the support of modern technology, logging machines have been improved with advanced features that allow them to operate more accurately and reliable. As a result, the process of logging in the forest has become safer for workers and reduced negative impacts on the environment. So to understand more about this type of machine, let's explore together. The Komatsu 931.1 is an advanced forestry machine produced by Komatsu Forest, one of the leading manufacturers in the logging and forestry industry. This machine is designed to work efficiently in tree felling, wood transportation and other forestry operations. With a net weight of around 21 tons and a load capacity of up to 12 tons, the Komatsu 931.1 can work effectively in difficult-to-reach forest areas. The machine is equipped with a diesel engine with a power output of up to 200 kilowatts and an electronic speed and engine speed control system. The machine can be equipped with a variety of accessories and tools such as clearing rake, felling head, sorting unit, and forwarding trailer, depending on the needs and intended use of the customer. Additionally, the machine is equipped with safety features such as an ABS brake system and an electronic stability control to ensure the operator's safety. With their outstanding performance and flexibility in use, Komatsu 931.1 is a top choice for forestry companies and logging businesses worldwide. Komatsu 875 is also an advanced machine line from Komatsu Forest, and it is currently one of the most popular on the market. With a net weight of about 28 tons and a load capacity of up to 20 tons, the machine can operate effectively in difficult-to-reach forests and harsh terrain. Equipped with a diesel engine with a power of up to 300 kilowatts and an electronic control system for engine speed and rotation speed, the machine optimizes performance and saves fuel. Additionally, the Komatsu 875 is equipped with an advanced exhaust treatment system to minimize its impact on the environment. The Komatsu 875 also features safety features such as an ABS brake system and an electronic balance system to ensure the operator's safety. The machine can be equipped with accessories and tools such as cutting edge and transport winch to meet the needs of purpose of customers. After the Komatsu 931.1 completes its tree felling task, the Komatsu 875 is responsible for ripping and transporting the wood to the collection areas safely and efficiently, replacing human labor in the transportation process. Komatsu is one of the leading manufacturers of machinery in the forest industry, with a range of forest machines designed to meet modern timber production needs. Komatsu's forest machines include felling machines, sawing machines, and forest evacuators. Komatsu's felling machines are designed to efficiently fell trees, protect forest resources, and minimize environmental impact. Komatsu's felling machines can get close to trees, increase accuracy in the felling process, and optimize production output. Komatsu's saw machines provide the necessary power and precision to efficiently cut timber. Komatsu's sawing machines have the ability to cut large blocks of wood while also protecting forest resources. Komatsu's forest evacuators are designed to work in the toughest conditions of the forest. They can move on rough terrain and meet the needs of modern timber production. With their range of forest machines, Komatsu has made a significant contribution in reducing environmental impact and protecting forest resources. In addition to the traditional machine lines, the XT445L-5 series and Komatsu 951 series are currently highly satisfied and favored by customers. The XT445L-5 series is one of Komatsu's earth-moving machine series designed to operate in the harshest conditions of the forestry industry. The machine is capable of moving on rough terrain and meeting modern wood production needs. It has a large weight and lifting capacity, maximizing productivity and reducing the time it takes to bring wood out of the forest. Moreover, the XT445L-5 series has fuel-saving features and environmentally friendly designs. The Komatsu 951 series is one of the versatile machine series widely used in the forestry industry. The machine can effectively fell, cut and transport wood with high speed and accuracy. It has large weight and lifting capacity, maximizing productivity and reducing the time it takes to bring wood out of the forest. In the current industrial era, the development of modern logging machines has brought many benefits to the forestry industry. Thanks to the technological support, these machines operate more accurately and efficiently, increasing productivity and reducing production costs. In addition, modern logging machines are designed to meet safety and environmental protection standards. As a result, the logging process has become safer for workers and has reduced environmental impacts. However, the use of logging machines need to be properly managed and adjusted to ensure the sustainability of the forest industry. Compliance with safety and environmental regulations is necessary, and further research and development of new technology is needed to optimize production process and minimize environmental impacts. That's the end of our video. We hope you continue to support our channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.